What is up YouTube? Welcome back again. It's your buddy Technoboy, and in this video I'm going to unbox this Amazon Firestick. It's the newest model and the manufacture date is December 2025. So this is the newest model and I'm going to unbox and test this thing. But as you know, nowadays the TVs are coming smart. They are having like WebOS or Android, Google TV or like that. So nowadays no one is having any normal TV or anything like that. But why do you need this? If you have any old non-smart TV, then you may need this. Or even if your TV, smart TV, is like much older and not working properly, exactly like mine. As you can see, this is the LG Smart TV. This is like 7 years old, I think, and it was smart, but now this thing is not very smart because the YouTube keep crashing and the Netflix runs okay, but it lags between the voice and the video. And another thing is, as this is the LG WebOS, so very limited apps are there. I wouldn't get Z5 or Hotstar or nothing like that. So that's why I need this thing. So let's unbox this thing and connect to the TV and check it out. So here get the user manual, how to connect and all. Then this nice little remote control, and that's the HDMI extender which I need, and this USB power cable. What is this? Okay, forgot the important thing. This is a Firestick. Okay, so this is the Firestick, and that's the HDMI, and that's the power USB power socket. That's it. Let's take it out. That's the remote control with Alexa voice. So that's it. What else do we get? Okay, the power adapter. Forgot that power adapter. Okay, you get two AAA batteries and the power adapter. It's 5 volt 1 amp adapter. So it's a 5 volt 1 amp adapter. So if this thing goes bad, you can use any mobile charger adapter, 5 volt 1 amp. So that's it. So now let's connect this thing.